are going to love the 2015 Chevy Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear defrost, trip odometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.